Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by powering and preparing the headphones. First, charge the WF1000XM5 style battery until the LED stabilizes. This ensures firmware updates won't fail. Next, press and hold the power/Bluetooth switch until you hear the voice prompt so the headphones enter pairing mode. Make sure you've installed the Sony Headphones Connect app on your phone because you'll use it next to manage features and update firmware. This step prevents connection issues and unlocks noise-canceling calibration. Once paired, you'll handle configuration in the app so the headphones behave the way you want. After selecting WH1000XM5 in your phone's Bluetooth list, open Sony Headphones Connect to check for firmware. Apply updates right away because they fix bugs and improve stability. Then, set adaptive sound control to let the headset change noise cancellation by activity and customize touch controls and ANC strength for comfort and battery life. Make sure to run the ear fit test. It optimizes sound and noise cancellation performance. To finish, adopt daily habits that preserve performance and troubleshoot smartly. You'll use wear detection and speak-to-chat for seamless playback control and enable multi-point if you need two-device connectivity. Remember to designate the main device for call priority. For common problems, first reboot the headphones and phone. Once done, reset Bluetooth pairing in settings. If issues persist, perform a factory reset through the app. This clears settings and typically resolves connection or audio glitches, saving you service time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.